This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in downtown Mount Prospect, looking at a Metra train that will take you downtown in about 33 minutes at rush hour. Panning around for a look at the scene here. Starbucks directly across the street, the Oberweis Dairy next door to it. Variety of shops and restaurants. And I'm headed 2 short blocks north for a walk through one of the apartments at the all-new 10 North Main. I'm in apartment 426, a northeast corner, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Looking at the entryway, where there's a coat closet and a full-size stacked Indian washer-dryer. Turning for a look at a very sleek kitchen. Breakfast bar peninsula that can easily seat 4. Very wide stainless steel undermount sink under a white quartz counter. It's a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Ton of cabinet and counter space. 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. There's pendant lighting above the breakfast bar. Contrasting white upper and gray lower cabinets. All self-closing. A white tile backsplash, a 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, and a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Blonde plank flooring extends throughout the apartment. Looking at a living dining area where there's plenty of space for dining room table, your sofa, chairs, TV. It's a wide balcony. Turning into the primary/master bedroom. It's on the corner, windows on 2 sides, plenty of space to accommodate any size bedding, additional furniture, home office desk if you wanted one here. Turning into the bath, we have a double bowl vanity, white quartz counter again, strip lighting and the wide mirror above the vanity. Walk-in shower with a glass door. And walk-in closet that's sure to keep anyone who has a lot of clothing happy. There's great separation between the bedrooms. They're on opposite sides of the living area. Heading into the second bedroom, large for a second bedroom, can also accommodate any size bedding, home office desk, additional furniture. Looking at the closet, and it's a tandem entry from the bedroom into the bath. Another wide vanity, also quartz counter, strip lighting again in the mirror, a soaking tub with white tile. Plank flooring is continuing into the bathroom. And again, there's a tandem entry out to the hallway. 10 North Main has a convenient downtown Mount Prospect location, attractive amenities, variety of apartments with upscale finishes. If you want something new and special in Chicago's northwest suburbs, definitely want to have 10 North Main on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.